I'm Steve Devries. I'm here in Robbie O'Brien's Luthier shop. Robbie has asked me to come and speak to his students about the communication between a professional guitar player and the luthier. Through a conversation with Robbie, we found that the lines of communication between luthiers and players was not very distinct and needed to be clarified. In talking with Robbie, we decided to develop a master's class with Robbie's students so they could show their guitars to a professional player and have that player evaluate them, and increasing their efforts to build a better product for the players. So what you're about to see is a video of a no-holds-barred evaluation from a guitarist to the luthier concerning finish work, action setup, the actual assemblage, the woodwork of the guitar, the voicing of the guitars, the application of the guitars, the installation of pickups, the use of pickups, string gauges, pick gauges, just a no-holds-barred evaluation of that student's guitar. The video you're about to see is segments of the actual footage during this master's class. It's not for the faint of heart. It's rather direct. It has adult content if you're a luthier, but hopefully it will develop your abilities as a luthier to build a better instrument. We filmed this during the master's class at Red Rocks Community College here in Denver.